Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to read a book in 15 minutes or less. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called Add to Grow Business, and we specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. We specialize in one thing only, getting floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot with our specialist digital marketing system. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Blinklist, how to read a book in 15 minutes. So I'm going to talk you through today a platform, an app that I found on my phone that allows me to consume so much knowledge and read the entirety of a business book and educate myself in 15 minutes or less. Like I say, the name of this platform is called Blinklist. I think this is really awesome. As a business owner, as a floor cleaning business owner, always trying to learn new marketing techniques, how to be a better leader to our technicians, how to manage our finances, how to kind of grow our business locally. We're all out there consuming information, whether it's watching this YouTube video, whether it's reading books and stuff like that. And obviously there's only a number of hours in the day and we're trying to leverage our time and get the most out of it and be as productive as possible. And through using this Blinklist app, I've been able to consume multiple books a day within a matter of minutes, and which is really awesome. You can kind of build this into like your daily routine. So I will basically, before I go to the office, I'll grab a coffee. While I'm sat there drinking my coffee before I set off for work for the day, I'll just open it up, this app, and it will allow me to basically consume maybe a couple of books worth of information in 30 minutes, and then I'll head off to work. And it's really amazing. And so I just wanted to share this with you today, just in case you're not aware of it. If you're all floor cleaning business owners watching this, you want to grow your business, you want to learn more, you want to educate yourself, you want to learn more skills as a business owner, this is a great way of doing this really quickly without it actually taking up any more of your time out of your day-to-day life. It's amazing. So with that in mind, let's dive right in. How it works is basically, so let's take a business book, right, about sales. Let's say the business book has got like 500 pages in it, 18 chapters, and typically in a lot of these books, there's chapters talking about the person's life, and there's maybe some real life examples, and there's a lot of descriptive things behind the examples they give, and obviously it's all been filled out, this book, to fill up like 500 pages, right, to make it into like a real book. And what Blinklist does, it just basically looks at that book and takes in like the top 5-10 things that you can learn from that book and just literally puts it into like bullet points. If you want to be a better salesperson, do this and this. So you can basically consume, it condenses the content of the book into like the key learning points and compresses it into like from being a 500 page book into a 10-page book to consume, and is put together in a way that is easier to digest and remember the lessons taught in that book. So it's condensing like a big book into just a few pages and summarizing the main learnable, actionable points from that book. So it's really cool. So you can basically dive in. I want to learn about how to, grow my profits of my local business. There'll be a book in there. There's like thousands and thousands of books that you probably heard of. And there might be a book that literally covers that exact topic. You open it up and effectively, rather than having to like read a 1,000-page book just to kind of learn like the key points to making your business more profitable, it's going to be all the stuff that they've used to pad out the book. It's all going to be removed, and you're just going to simply read 4 or 5 pages, and you're going to come away after those 4 or 5 pages knowing exactly what you need to do. So it's really cool, super amazing. Just to kind of give you a bit of background on the company, they're based in Berlin, Germany. Like I said, there's thousands of non-fiction titles in small 10 to 30 minute bite-sized reading pieces. And yeah, so it's really awesome. It's available on iPhone and Android. The content is created using neuroscientific principles, making all of the information easy to understand but hard to forget. And there's an algorithm there, and it starts to learn the sorts of books that you like to read, the sort of things that you're trying to learn, and it will basically give you personalized recommendations about kind of what to read next, which is super cool. And they've also done audiobook versions as well now, so now you don't even need to read it. If you're out for your morning jog or whatever, if you're down the gym time, you can log into Blinklist, put the headphones on and listen to an audiobook version. And again, it'll be an entire book that would normally take you like a month to listen to as an audiobook or whatever. It's like a book that might be normally like 5 hours of listening, and that'll be condensed into like 10 minutes of listening. And you'll be able to listen to that and come away and learn the key things that book is trying to teach you without having to listen to 5 hours of audio. So super awesome, super cool. And I'll just show you now, just kind of like, this is the inside of the app. This is a book that I read. So let's go all the way back to the start, just so that you can kind of see. It's very, very simple, like literally 2 or 3 pages, and you've kind of got like the key ideas. This book has been condensed from probably a 700-page book to just 7 key ideas. You can click on these and you can basically learn the key things about this particular topic. And like I say, there's tons of different books and stuff like that, all kinds of different topics. If you go to like explore, you've got like popular, you've got politics, economics, entrepreneurship, communication, marketing, sales. So, you know, let's go like entrepreneurship, where you guys are local business owners, and you can click here like small businesses, for example, and it's going to give you all the different types of book, right, that are available to you, that's going to help you to take your business to that next level. And like I say, without having to read like millions of pages, you're just going to be able to get the key points from those books in just a few pages. So this is a great way to learn, take on a lot of information very quickly. You could literally be reading 20 books a week, like no exaggeration, using this app. So go check it out on the App Store. Blinklist. Floor cleaners looking to grow your business, looking to learn more skills, be a better business owner, take things to the next level. I think it's like a couple of dollars a month. It's really not expensive to sign up to. I'm not too sure what the subscription and fee is, but it's not a lot. This is a great way of reading a lot of stuff really, really quickly. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your floor cleaning business to the next level, head down to the description below, where you'll also find a link to schedule a Zoom call with us. See you in the next video, guys. Peace.